Oh boy, as I was driving at first and I noticed my tire pressure PSI, one of my tires is actually less than 25%. So I must have a slow leak on one of my front right tires. As I remember one of Scotty Kilmer's video, he said that you can use a fix-a-flat to temporarily fix your flat tires because I am too lazy to go to a tire shop to have it fixed. As I have a pretty tight schedule, I guess I'll just go to my local O'Reilly or something and see if they have a fix-a-flat can and I can, use it. And also share this video to you all to see if this works or not. Because my car has a tire pressure sensor, I will try to find one that has a tire pressure sensor friendly and also a non-flammable one because that's what Scotty Kilmer recommended. Now I am at a local O'Reilly store right here, so I'll inside and see if they have one of those products, and I will instantly give it a try and see how does it work, and give you guys the feedback. By the way, so far if you like the video, can you do me a favor and give me a thumbs up? That really helps the channel and support the channel big time. Okay, now I'm in the O'Reilly store. Gotta go locate the product. Bingo! Now there you go, fix a flat. This is the non-flammable formula. Be sure to pick the one that is non-flammable because it's much safer. And be sure to get the one that is tire sensor safe because you don't want to damage your tire sensor. On the back of the can, there's only 6 steps to follow, so it's pretty easy to follow. So please note, this product is only intended to use for 3 days or 100 miles. After that, go to your tire repair shop to get your tire fixed. Don't rely this product for a permanent fix. Okay, if you can rotate the tire to the 6 o'clock position of the puncture tire, that would be awesome. Otherwise, use your best guess. And shake the can vigorously for 30 seconds. And I am planning to do it for a whole minute, so just to give it a little extra time. Then insert the fix-a-flat tube into the tire's inflator valve. And remember to snap off the plastic protector from the fix-a-flat can so you can press and inflate your tires. And keep holding the can while it's inflating, injecting all the chemicals inside your tires. And keep an eye off the tube and see if you can see a flowing through chemicals to your tire's valve. While you are pumping all these chemicals in, make sure you're holding the can on an upright position and do not shake the can while you are doing this process. And just keep on holding it until all the chemicals are not flowing inside your valves. As you can see, it's still flowing. Alright, so I just finished inflating the fix and flat can in my puncture tires. So I need to do a test drive for 2 to 4 miles to make sure all the formula is circulating, covering all the puncture areas inside the tire. So I will do a little test run right now. Check this out. After refilling the fix-a-flat, my tire pressure has dropped a few points, so be sure to have a tire inflator ready. Blink of an eye, I have driven over 4 miles already. Okay, now I have finished driven over 4 miles and to let the chemical evenly spread throughout the whole interior of the tires so it can patch whatever puncture they have inside the tires. But I don't know if it's my lucky day today or my bad luck day today because my other Model S, same tire, same front right tires is also punctured. And I don't know if it's good luck or bad luck. Good luck is because I still have over 50% weight of this can, so maybe I can still use this to try to inflate my other Model S. Both of my Model S uses 19-inch tires. And this one, after inflating the tires, I still have around, I don't know, maybe 60% left. It feels like I still have 60% or maybe 70% left inside this can right here. And under the instruction, it doesn't say how many car tires can this can refill. But I don't know, since I still have quite some left, I will also try to inflate my other Model S and see if it will work. And I will also do a follow-up video to let you guys know how long do they typically last, you know, once you use this product. So please stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, so when I do the follow-up video of how long this product will last, you know, to repair your tires, when I have that other video updated, you will be notified and you can see, you know, how long does it last and stuff like that. So please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. And there you go, here's my other Tesla Model S, and the leak is around 25% as well. Same day, same side of the tires got punctured. So I have to go through the same procedure again, shake the can for 30 seconds and then pump all the chemical inside your tire's valve. Okay, so I just inflated my second Model S tires, and it doesn't seem to have a lot of chemical pumping inside the tires, so I think the second attempt will be a fail. But anyways, I will still go ahead and drive 4 miles and let the chemical do its patching and see if it will actually patch my tires. I will also do a follow-up on the second attempt video to let you guys know how it went. So check this out. This can has more than 50% of the weight, but it doesn't pump any kind of chemical out. So one can is only good for 1 tire, so don't do it for 2 tires. And be sure to have a tire inflator ready, because while you are inflating the chemical, the fix-a-flat will not inflate your tires. So be sure to have a tire inflator ready. And this is a pretty cool tire inflator. I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description for the video of this tire inflator. It's a really small compact tire inflator made by a company called Xiaomi. So there you have it. This is the fix and flat tire review, and so far it really does work. So do not use this as a permanent fix. Use this only for a temporary fix. After 3 days or 100 miles, please go to your closest tire repair shop to get your tire fixed. If you like this video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I'm very greatly appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Alright, so I've just finished filling the fix-a-flat can in my tire. Alright, so I just finished inflating the fix-a-flat can in my deflated tires. Alright, so I just finished inflating the fix-and-flat can in my punctured tires. So I need to do a test drive for 2 to 4 hours.
Dude, crap!